Hello, thank you for calling the Vyond anti-piracy hotline. You will be shortly speaking to one of our employees soon. Do not hang up if you wish to restore your account and if it was an error.
Hello, thank you for calling the Vyond anti-piracy hotline. My name is Jenny. Now please tell us the error or the software used to emulate our subscription.
Hello, this is a user named Alaskan. My account has been recently flagged and I wasn't emulating your subscription. I got the subscription from your website?
Okay, so you didn't emulate our subscription? This is a rare error code that is very unusual. We are very sorry if we caused any coincidence. Due to this, I will give you a code to reactivate your account, 3D, 5G, V2, and 9U. Be advised, if your account gets flagged again you might have to verify your account. But however, here is your code, sir. If you forgot about the code, please text us.
Alright, thank you.